Hi, my name is Zain. I'm studying at Al-Mahd Day Boarding School Rifa in grade 4A. And today I am going to talk about life in a coral reef. What is a coral reef? Corals are made up of tiny animals called polyps. These can be living or dead. They are very fragile. The very first coral reefs formed about 500 million years ago. Coral reefs are mostly found in tropical oceans. They are mostly found in shallow waters because they need sunlight to help them grow. What does a coral reef look like? Most corals are brightly colored. They can be many colors, including green, yellow, pink, orange, blue, and red. I will tell some examples of creatures living in a coral reef: hawkfish, angelfish, butterfly fish, lionfish, clownfish, sea snails, starfish, seahorses, octopuses, moray eels, and crabs. Threats to coral reefs. Large areas of the Great Barrier Reef are beginning to die. Some of the coral is also losing its bright color and turning white. This is called bleaching. This is happening because the oceans are getting warmer. Conservation. Coral reefs provide a natural habitat and massive protection for different species of fish. They are not plants. They are living organisms that provide an environment for fishes to breed. Without them, fishes in the ocean are homeless. Coral reefs are a fragile ecosystem because corals need the warm, sunlit water to live. They often grow close to the top of the water. Being so close to land makes them often be damaged by poisons and dirt that can come from boats and the land nearby. Dirt makes the water more cloudy, which makes the sunlight less. Poisons can bleach and kill corals. Also, they are hard for ships to see, but easy to hit, which makes ships often run into the coral, damaging both the boat and coral. Because of this, many countries are trying to lessen the kinds of buildings that usually happen near beaches that have coral reefs nearby, and be more careful about the boats that go around reefs. Here are 10 ways to protect coral reefs. The first way is choose sustainable seafood. Corals are already a gift. Don't give them as presents. Long-lasting light bulbs are a bright idea. If you dive, don't touch. Coral reefs are alive. Stirred up sediments can smother corals. Check sunscreen active ingredients. Seek shade between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Use ultraviolet protection factor (UPF) sunwear and choose sunscreens with chemicals that don't harm marine life. Conserve water. The less water you use, the less wastewater that eventually find their ways back into the ocean. Volunteer. Volunteer in local beach or reef cleanups. If you don't live near the coast, get involved in protecting your watershed. Be a marine debris crusader. In addition to picking up your own trash, carry away the trash that others have left behind. Don't send chemicals into our waterways. Nutrients from excess fertilizer increase algae growth that blocks sunlight to corals. Practice safe boating. Anchor in sandy areas away from coral and sea grasses so that the anchor and chain do not drag on nearby corals. Thank you and have a nice day.